Well, it finally died on me. After owning the truck for, what, 2019, 5 years, and buying it with 2-year-old batteries, the batteries finally gave up the ghost. So in this video, we're gonna show you how we change out both of our batteries on our 2017 Ram 2500 Cummins engine truck. So stay tuned. And on this episode, we are going to show you death. Well, maybe not death. We're going to show you what died. And we are about to change the batteries out on our 2017 Ram 2500 with the Cummins engine, which requires 2 batteries to operate. So you can see we have a battery here and a battery right here. And the other day I got into the truck to start it and it wouldn't start. The batteries are at least 7 years old. This is a 2017. I bought it new in 2019. And so there you go, do the math, it's about 7 years old. So we're gonna go ahead and change out both of these batteries. And it's highly recommended that you do that because, well, just because. I'm not gonna get into the technical reasons, but I'm gonna show you how I do this and point you to some other videos that may help guide you to change these batteries out yourself. All right, so let me get set up and we'll get going. So I've removed the negative from this battery on the passenger side, and now I'm going to remove the negative on that side because we don't want anything grounded should the positive happen to hit the chassis or the frame or something. You know, we don't want any sparks. So yeah, you lose your settings and stuff on your radio, but I think I'd rather go with safety versus inconvenience on my radio. All right, so removing the negative on that side, and I think that's a 10 millimeter. Let's see, that looks like it might be, well, maybe an 11. So negative, and yeah, 10 millimeter on the driver's side. Okay, and now without boring you with just unscrewing and prying these up, I have both the negative and the positive off of the driver's side battery. Get ready to pull the positive off of the passenger side battery, and then I can just swap these out. Now I think this just lifts right up. Yeah. All right, and let's see, that's probably a 10 mil. Let's just see. Yep, 10 millimeter. I'll need some extensions. Hold please. Okay, of all things, my battery died on my GoPro. All right, so we've got the positive now off, the negative off, of course. I removed a 10 millimeter bolt from down there, and you just take this little block off, and then that battery's ready to come out. I'm gonna go to the other side and now do the same. Now, as you may or may not have seen, it was a little bit tough getting that one off there. Also, there's a little plastic piece on the end of this connector that you don't have to remove. For some reason, I was thinking I had to get it out of there. It's actually fixed in there with this screw here. So don't take it out because it will break the little rings off of it like I did. It doesn't really matter, I don't think, but I like it in there. It keeps the clamps, I think, from being tightened down too much or something like that. Anyway, the screw down here is a 10 millimeter, even though these are 8s. So there you go. Consistently inconsistent. All right, this guy is ready to come out. Making sure my wiring's cleared. I might put a little insulator over that. Be right back. Hold please. All right, I went ahead and opted for the interstate replacement battery. So we'll see how well they hold up. Oh my goodness. snug. All right, let's make sure we got positive to positive and negative to negative. All right, I see my plus symbol there and my negative symbol there. All right, let's go to the other side. All right, that went in pretty good. And now let's put the battery blanket back on. And remember that clip I was telling you about. So here's that clip, and it didn't need to come out. You can see right here maybe where it's broke. Of course that one's broken all the way off, but that screw goes all the way through it. So just leave that in here. I'll pop it back in place, and we're gonna start hooking up. Yeah, I'm starting with the positive. All right. All right, now the moment of truth. We are going to hook up the negative lead over here, right here. We'll hook that up and get power back to the unit. And I saw a spark, so I guess that's okay. All right, one side done. Well, got power. Had the keys in my pocket and I locked the doors. It scared the crap out of me. All right. And that is how you change your batteries on a Ram diesel. All right, let's go check the interior. Let's get our clock reset and we should be good to go. All right, here we go. That's good. The lovely sound of fresh power from a Ram diesel. Oh, sounds like my jams are still there. So that's pretty cool. So we'll see what this comes. Oh yeah, all right, we got my 70s, 80s, 90s, my Classic Rewind, Spectrum, and my Fox News. So I think we are good to go. As you can see, we got the rig home and we are getting ready for our 2024 camping season. So make sure that you like and subscribe, share this video with some friends, and subscribe. If I didn't say it, subscribe. It's free. Do it. Come on, do it. All right, guys, talk to y'all soon.